Have you ever been in that situation where there's this massive mess in your room, but at first you kind of just look at it and pretend like it's not there because deep down it's secretly really annoying you, but you can't find any motivation whatsoever to clean it? So for like 54 days, you're basically just sitting there pretending like it doesn't exist
and just hoping they'll magically go away, but after a while it just really gets to you, and you finally kind of go like this.
Fine. I will clean it. What's up and welcome to my channel. As you saw by my intro, today we are finally going to be tackling that desk. I'll be sharing some tips and some DIYs kind of, and just showing you how I'm gonna spice this a little bit up and make it irritate me less, because it has been irritating me, and there's so many other parts of my rooms that are like irritating me, but I'm focusing on my desk right now. Make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, turn on the notifications, and without further ado, let's get started. My first step in tackling this was to remove everything off of my desk. Yes, the first step in cleaning anything is probably to remove everything, because you will realize that you don't even need half of it. I threw away a lot of it or just reorganized it because I just like plop a lot of random stuff onto my desk. So once I had that, it already looked so much better. Unfortunately, due to all the things I do on my desk, it was very dirty, so I decided to give it a good wipe down with first a dry tissue, then a wet tissue, and I also dusted it a decent amount. I even had to go in and erase all the accidental pencil marks on my desk. As a child, I used to do it intentionally. I don't know why, but now it's all accident, I promise. If you're like an artist like me, or you just do a lot on your desk, it's gonna get dirty, so probably good to like give it a good wipe every now and then, cause you know. And then I just started organizing my stuff, so I cut down all of my supplies to maybe like 5%, because I only use some of them on a daily basis, so here they are, and I'm just organizing them, and the rest are gonna go in my jars. I had this fantastic idea to basically label them, which is so extra, I know, but I kind of had like this thing for watercoloring. I'm sure some of you have noticed. It's kind of weird, but I like watercoloring now, like really simple stuff. So just for fun, I pulled that out. I pulled out a piece of paper and just watercolor some stuff, and I'm gonna turn that into labels, which I will slap onto my drawers, and hopefully it will force me to be more organized. Now that I have actual labels on my drawers, you know, I gotta put that stuff in, right? No, that's not gonna happen, but I wish it did, so we're just gonna try to seem more organized by doing that. Because I failed to think this through, I did this on a really thin piece of paper and it crinkled up. I mean, what did I expect? So I just sandwiched it between two pieces of paper and slammed a textbook onto it. I mean, why do they even make us carry these heavy textbooks around school? They're good for flattening paper, but not for carrying. So I had this other fantastic idea to basically make my own folders, which is essentially not even a DIY, it's literally folding cardstock in half, which literally anyone could do. And then I just also rounded out the corners. So I printed out some labels because my handwriting sucks. So once I had that printed out, I just like cut it out, you know, slapped it on there, you know, amazing. DIY folders in 3 minutes, who could imagine? And here's a quick shot of what was on my floor. It's actually a lot less now, but you know, now it's gone, and here's my desk. Isn't it so much better than it was before? Like, I'm actually kind of happy, and I'm gonna build a shelf above it with my dad to kind of store my really heavy textbooks on it. And yeah, let me know what you guys think, but thank you so much for watching. I hope this was somewhat inspirational for all you people who are like-minded to me, and yeah, bye.